Hello guys, welcome to this third tutorial of ASP.NET C#. Today we are going to learn static and dynamic drop-down list program. So let's start. So I am already in my form. I've created my project. So what I'll do is I'll go to toolbox. I'll drag few things which I'll require. So first thing is I'll drag one drop-down list. Next thing I'll drag one button and one label where I'll print my values which I'll store in drop down list. So my design portion is ready. Now I'll simply click on this button. Okay, so here I'll do the coding. So the first thing is I have to store some value of drop down list somewhere. So what I'll do is I'll go to page load. There I'll store some values for drop down list. So drop down list one dot items dot add. I'm simply adding items in my drop down list. So let's add some state names. So the first is Mumbai. Likewise I'll add minimum 5 values in my drop down list. So next one, let's put Sikkim, Delhi, Assam, and last one, let's say Calcutta. Okay, so these are my 5 state names. Now let's print this state name in our label. I simply mean to say is whatever value I'll select, I'll print that in my label. You have selected okay. Now I'll give my value from drop down list. So dot to string, just to convert my value. Okay, so done. Our program is ready. Now let's run this and see our output. Here I'll teach you one more thing. Okay, now our values are ready. So I'll select Sikkim. I'll simply print. So it's getting printed. But here if you'll notice our values are getting repeated. Now let me click one more time. Okay, so I have selected Assam, it's printed, but here you can see all the values are getting printed again and again whenever I am clicking on button. So this is because of postback. So what happens is this ASP.NET page is basically we are sending this ASP.NET page to server. So whatever value is there, the server is again sending back those values. So this we can control using something known as is postback. So I'll simply use one line to control this problem. So here I'll use one if condition. If not is postback, so I've enabled this. I'll put all my values inside this. So with the help of this, that thing can be controlled. Now I'll simply run and show you. So okay, now let me select Assam again. So the output is getting printed. Here you can see no value is getting repeated. So I hope you all understood the concept. Okay, now let's do the dynamic program of drop down list. So I'll remove these values from here, static one. Okay, so I'll put these values whatever in a dynamic way. So I'll simply click on edit and I'll put my values. So I'll put 2 values. Okay, my values is done. Here you can simply select enable auto postback that problem won't come again because of this. Okay, now my code is already ready, so I'll simply run this. Okay, my values has been added, 2 values, so I'll select Mumbai and I am printing that. Okay, I hope you all understood this program of drop down list. Thank you for watching, guys.